5 Benefits of Green Tea Powder for Skin. Green tea is a go-to drink for a lot of people. It has several health benefits which include fat burning, promoting brain health, reducing the risk of heart diseases, etc. But what if I told you, green tea powder can promote your skin health and result in a healthy and glowing face? Also known as matcha, it is an amazing skincare ingredient that is a great antioxidant and has anti-inflammatory properties. Skincare benefits of green tea powder. 1. Antioxidant in matcha protect skin damage. The primary component of matcha is a substance with extremely high antioxidant capabilities. Green tea powder is a potent antioxidant and helps protect your skin from free radical damage. These antioxidants stop free radicals generated by ultraviolet radiation from harming the skin by neutralizing them. In addition, it prevents premature aging, fine lines, and wrinkles caused due to various factors like pollution. 2. Suitable for sensitive skin. It can be really difficult to manage sensitive skin and choose the right skincare products. Here is matcha to the rescue. It has ingredients that assist to relax and soothe sensitive skin. It can help the skin retain much needed moisture while reducing redness and inflammation. 3. Helps reduce inflammation. Inflammation in the body can be reduced by the anti-inflammatory components present in green tea powder. This can lessen swelling and redness while also enhancing the skin's look and accelerating the healing process. 4. Helps prevent acne. Green tea powder has antibacterial properties that aid in the battle against acne-causing germs. Moreover, it has anti-inflammatory elements that can aid in lowering acne-related inflammation and redness. 5. Helps boost collagen production. A necessary protein for keeping healthy skin is collagen. It gives the skin structure and elasticity, keeping it flexible and young-looking. Catechins are potent antioxidants found in green tea powder, and studies have shown that they can increase the creation of collagen. By doing so, you may be able to lessen the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles as well as enhance the skin's general tone and texture. Different ways to use green tea powder. Face mask. All skin types can benefit from this mask's gentle exfoliation and hydration with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. To make a paste, combine matcha powder with a few drops of water or your preferred face oil. Use a cold water rinse to remove the matcha mask from your skin after leaving it on for 10 to 15 minutes. 2. Drink green tea. You may benefit from all that green tea has to offer for the health of your skin by including it in your daily routine. Moreover, it has caffeine and tannins, which reduce puffiness and blood vessel size. 3. You may add it to your moisturizer. You can incorporate green tea powder into your regular moisturizer or serum. Just add a tiny bit of the powder to your preferred product before using it on your skin. 4. Use it as a face cleanser. Combine a tiny amount of your usual facial cleanser with half a teaspoon of green tea powder. Circularly massage the mixture onto your face, then thoroughly rinse with warm water. This can assist in detoxifying the skin and removing pollutants. 5. Use it as a toner. Combine 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of green tea powder. After cleaning your skin, pour the liquid into a spray bottle and use it like a mist on your face. This may aid in moisturizing and toning the skin. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy.